we have the current stock market outlook for MAXEON Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, this is the 1 hour price chart. Each candle on this price chart represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see, the stock itself has seen some fairly substantial price movements in the positive direction in recent trading sessions. So there has, naturally been a flood of YouTube videos that have been devoted to this stock, attempting to cover this stock and saying that the stock is now ready to buy, ready to run higher, strong buy at the moment, and things like that. What it should be noted here, though, however, is that these are the same people that were recommending that everyone buy the stock at substantially higher levels. We can go back and watch some of the videos individually, but I think that this is pretty much true across the board as far as people that are recommending this stock. These exact same people were saying that the stock was a buy at all of these prior levels, and the stock has really done nothing but head lower ever since those recommendations were made. So we're just going to sort of look at why exactly the stock has moved higher recently, and then sort of give an assessment of the outlook for what is most likely to occur here going forward. So specifically, we should just sort of point out the fact that near-term support for this stock has now moved to right around $5.15. As we can see here, and this is the hourly price chart, so it is an important price chart, we can see that this support zone really has now formed a double bottom right in this area. So that is a very strong level of support, at least in chart analysis terms. Double bottoms tend to be a bit difficult to break to the downside. So that does suggest that share prices could continue to move higher based on that piece of information on its own. We have to also look at where the recent high came in, which was $11.19. So we can see that essentially, the share price did roughly double in value, a little bit more than that. And we did see this major price movement from 515 all the way to right around 1120. So it's a very significant price movement in a very short period of time. And it's not totally surprising to see that we're getting some attention for this stock on YouTube. But what is surprising is that so many people are recommending that people buy this stock at these upper levels. If we just sort of go back a bit on the price history here, we can see that the trend is clearly in the negative direction. So in order for anybody to recommend buying this stock, you really have to have a strong piece of information which suggests that share prices should be moving higher. So that's the question at this point. What is this information? Why exactly are share prices moving higher at the moment? Well, recently there has been an announcement that the CFO will be changed. So the Chief Financial Officer will be a new person. But that's really all this is. There really isn't any other information at the moment which suggests that share prices really should be moving higher or will continue to move higher. Now, anybody that's really excited about this, I just want you to sort of think back on it, all of the market history that you know of, at any point in the past. I mean, how many times in the past, how many stories have you heard in the past where a stock substantially moved higher based solely on the change to the CFO position and nothing else? Okay, because that's currently what we're dealing with here. This really is a very minor piece of information, and we're seeing share prices that are, more than doubling based on this information. So is this really enough? Is this really enough of a reason to start buying this stock? And are the people that are recommending this activity, this bullish activity, are they reputable people? Do they have a track record of success trading in the financial markets? I would say that the answer to both of those questions is clearly no. This really isn't enough information to suggest that share prices will continue to move higher or that people should be buying this stock based on this information alone. Another piece of information that does really need to be understood here is the fact that this stock is at risk of major share price dilution. Okay, since the end of the second quarter, outstanding shares have increased by nearly 2,500%. Okay, so that's a major risk to shareholders. It means if you're holding a share of stock, you're really vulnerable to changes from the company to sort of do stock splits that may not be favorable, that really might just be designed to change the share price value itself and not really change any of the underlying fundamentals. And that's a real problem. Stock splits don't have any effect on the underlying company, on the underlying operations, on the underlying fundamentals. So there really isn't any reason to get excited about a stock based on that alone. I mean, if anything, you could probably argue that the reverse is true. I mean, why exactly are they doing this? Are they doing this just to prevent the stock from trading at these lower levels, so that the stock doesn't appear as though it's a penny stock or something along those lines? I mean, just psychologically, if you see a share price value at 15 cents, you're probably not going to think very highly of the stock. But if you see that it's trading at $4 or $5, maybe you'll have a little bit of a different opinion. Maybe you'll think that it's just a cheap stock that could move higher. But if it's trading at 15 cents, you might think that, this is a stock, the stock is probably cheap for a reason, and I should probably stay away from it. So, based on these reasons alone, there really isn't much reason to get into the stock at the moment. I understand that people are very excited about this, but if we just simply look at this recent price movement here, we can already see that a significant amount of this share price valuation has already been destroyed. I mean, this really does look like a pump and dump type of situation, because the stock retraced more than 50% of that rally over just a couple of hours. This is the hourly time frame, so that would be 2 hours later. Actually, even that's not even true. The second candle here, the price action was formed. It formed its high with this red candle here. So the following hour, we had already retraced more than 50% of the price move. So these are huge declines here in a very short period of time, and it does show that there's something wrong with this rally. It's not sustainable. So that's the real issue. I mean, why is the rally not sustainable? Okay, and if it's not sustainable, why is anybody recommending buying into this stock? Simply because it moved higher? Or is it because that some of these people know that this stock tends to get some clicks, it tends to get some attention on YouTube? And that's really the reality of it. I mean, I've seen videos posted on Apple and Microsoft that don't get as many clicks or views as a stock like this. I mean, is MAXEON Solar a better stock than Microsoft or Apple, or Nvidia? I mean, because all of those things are true. You can see plenty of videos on this platform that have a lower view count than MAXEON Solar Technologies. It's really just a hype stock, and this thing is really just being pumped and dumped at the moment. Share prices are really moving lower, and this is a dangerous stock. Nobody should be in this stock, and I recommend that people take a look at the trading room that we have, because we have a portfolio of stock choices that are far better than this, and we explain exactly how to trade those stocks. So here's the current market update for MAXEON Solar, stock ticker MAXN. Our High Value Trading Strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market-beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.